Recently, the Metaverse crypto GameFi market has maintained its bullish trend, with many of the Metaverse projects exhibiting tremendous growth potential. Since there is an enormous number of Metaverse cryptocurrencies now available on the market, it may be difficult to decide which ones are worth putting your money into. However, the real question is, which of these bullish projects should investors be paying attention to? Today, we will give you a peek at our list of Metaverse crypto GameFi bullish projects. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Financial and Investment Wisdom, and we're back with another incredible video. Here we talk about the world of cryptocurrency, finance matters, and investments. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. What are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. Number 1. Crabada. The visuals and main gameplay of Crabada NFT work together to produce an addicting and highly entertaining experience. Using a unique PvP or player versus player infused idle gameplay, the game hopes to introduce a new play and earn paradigm to the market. To improve their positions within the system, players can mine, pillage, and breed CRA to supplement their existing resources. The holders of governance tokens are asked to define the future of the kingdom through the exercise of governing rights and to determine the fate of the kingdom. Crabada began as a very casual game that quickly grew in popularity and gained a significant number of supporters. Particularly during a bull market that drove both the CRA and TUS tokens to all-time highs, the company's tokenomics gained recognition. A comfortable gaming experience was provided by the game, with the chance of predictable payouts as well. By building its infrastructure on the Avalanche blockchain, one of the quickest and most advanced blockchains available, Crabada was elevating the peer-to-peer approach to a new level of sophistication. The company will also continue to enhance its swimmer network in order to support the inflow of additional NFT mints and players that it expects to arrive in the near future. Number 2. Defi Kingdoms. For those who are unfamiliar with Defi Kingdoms, it is not just a game, but also an exchange platform, a market for rare utility-driven NFT tokens, and all of this takes place in the nostalgic world of fantasy pixel graphics. The Uniswap v2 protocol is used to build and trade DFK on the Harmony One platform. Users will be able to receive rewards in no time thanks to the platform's minimal trading fees and high level of security. Also, Defi Kingdoms has a Uniswap v2 protocol-based decentralized exchange at its core. For the team, one of the most compelling arguments for using blockchain technology is to make investing more entertaining and rewarding for everyone in the realm. To begin with, Defi Kingdoms was the most widely used dApp in the Harmony ecosystem, garnering a considerable number of users. As part of its Crystal Vale expansion, Defi Kingdoms has announced a cross-chain addition to Avalanche, as well as the launch of a new cryptocurrency called Crystal. Many thought that Defi Kingdoms would launch as a subnet of Avalanche when Crystal Vale was disclosed. Crystal Vale will have all the fundamental elements seen in Defi Kingdoms' Serendale. With Avalab's support, the project will receive $15 million in incentives. The Jewel token is one of the most significant advantages of creating a second Defi Kingdom blockchain on a subnet. Jewel will serve as a Serendale governance token as well as a network token for the DFK chain when released. Players in Crystal Vale will be able to use Jewel to pay for DFK chain operations. In addition, Jewel stakes will be needed of all Genesis subnet verifiers. Number 3. Imperium Empires. A third-person, real-time strategy making money online or MMO game. The Imperium Metaverse allows players to lead a fleet of spacecraft, each of which is an NFT, in order to invade areas and establish civilizations throughout the vast Metaverse. Comprehensive guild structures and governance will be firmly intertwined into the game's fundamental concepts, allowing players to collaborate while still earning money in the same time frame as one another. Collaborative play is encouraged as players work together to dominate the metaverse and construct their empires. Avalanche blockchain technology powers Imperium Empires, the world's first AAA GameFi 2.0 space metaverse built on the platform. It uses DeFi 2.0 into its NFT drops and incorporates deflationary tokenomics into the architecture of the game to a significant degree. In the Imperium Metaverse, users can engage in a wide variety of PvE and PvP activities, working together to gather sources and conquer the Metaverse after forming a guild. Imperium is more than simply another play-to-earn game. It is also entertaining to play. It is being developed in AAA quality Metaverse by an in-house game development and game design team that has years of experience. By incorporating a unique NFT burn system wherein NFTs can be damaged or destroyed in PvP zones that players are allowed to explore, the Imperium Metaverse is able to more effectively manage the expansion of the NFT supply that results from new players joining the Imperium Metaverse. Additionally, by integrating the top DeFi protocols from the Avalanche ecosystem into the Imperium Metaverse, they will be able to gamify DeFi and make it easier for gamers to connect to DeFi. G'day, mate. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. What do you think of the projects on the list so far? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Let's move forward with the video. Number 4, Ascenders. The Ascenders Combat Challenge is currently ongoing and will end on April 30th, 2022. Participants in the game can install it on their Mac or PC desktop computer by clicking on the download button. To collect as many score orbs as possible before the time limit expires, players can explore the environment, defeat opponents, and break containers. Each round lasts 5 minutes, and players are rewarded based on their speed, originality, and defensive and offensive maneuvers on both sides of the field. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that players can try the game as many times as they like in order to compete for first place on the international leaderboard. All players in Ascenders will have the freedom to freely choose their favorite economic lanes at any time during the course of the game, regardless of their current position. Player interrelations and long-term interdependencies are forced to build since each lane has its own play-to-earn cycle and reward system. This encourages players to form complicated, long-lasting interdependencies with one another, while also encouraging continual trading in the economy. As freely tradable NFTs, players are allowed to entirely own all of the weapons, avatars, and land that they have produced or earned in-game. Number 5, Hopper's Game. Hopper's Game is a brand new NFT game with intricate gameplay mechanics that you can enjoy in order to earn money. Hopper's NFTs are not only beautiful pieces of art, but they also feature on-chain stats for each of their 5 attributes: strength, vitality, intelligence, agility, and fertility, in addition to their other attributes. During the minting process, random stats are allocated to each coin. Fly is the primary form of currency in Hopper's Game. Fly is essential for practically everything in the game, from leveling up to breeding, and as a result, obtaining Fly is the primary goal of the game for the majority of players. By just dispatching their hopper to one of the adventures that generate a fixed quantity of Fly every day, players can reap the benefits of Fly harvesting. Because it places players in situations where they must power up, breed, keep improving their stats, leverage Fly staking to earn a portion of the bonus allocation with Fly, and make the decision about when to sell Fly for passive income, Hopper's Game offers a fresh take on conventional play-to-earn concepts. Despite the fact that professionals warn investors about the fluctuating nature and unpredictability of cryptocurrencies, some individuals are willing to incur the risk in exchange for the possibility of a significant return. These projects may have tremendous potential, but a little reminder from us: keep in mind that it is important to do a lot of research before deciding which project is the best fit for you. And that concludes our video for today. We have given you some of the best projects out there in our list. What do you think? Did you enjoy finding out about these projects? Which one do you think you will give a try? Let us know in the comments below. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is financial and investment wisdom, and we'll see you in our next video.